Well, hey, how's it going? This is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with yet another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. It's a beautiful Friday afternoon in humid and cloudy Kenmore, Washington on this July 2nd, 2021. And today I've got one that came out of an Umite crate. Go to japancrate.com and use the coupon code The Ramen Raider. Get yourself a discount. And we got one, this is from a company called Itomen. Itomen! It's vegetable, seafood, Shio. Shio. Come here, you. And from what I read on the thing, you drop the noodles in. And you drop the seasoning in. 3 minutes, baby. 3 minutes. That's all we need. So, somebody, well, a lot of you guys watch my videos and a lot of you guys comment, and I really appreciate it, even if I don't always agree with your comments. But sometimes I get comments. Got this guy named Billabong, and then a number, some random stupid number at the end. Billabong 397254 or something stupid like that, you know. But he or she was all, I can't stand the music in your videos. It drives me freaking nuts. I can't take it. I can't take it. Just ranting about it. It's just like, you know, what do you say to that? Oh, well, you know, that was my whole goal here, was to make you irritated to the point that you had to comment about it. And then this morning I had this one guy who was just like decided to go on a quick spree of commenting on maybe like a good handful, maybe like 4 or 5 videos. One was like, your content is horrible. Which is like, okay. Another one was saying, you can't even do this right, you can't do that right. And it gets me thinking, it's like, what are you trying to do? Are you trying to make me have a bad day? Because that just gives me content to use on the show. That's less that I have to do. So you're actually helping me. So I don't know. I feel sorry for all the humans. They're just so silly sometimes, you know? Not all of you. There's a lot of good humans out there. But there's a lot of humans that just aren't all that wonderful and just need to be, you know, something should be done. And that something is a quote from the book Momofuku Ando Speaks. Quotations from the guy who invented the instant noodle, originally from Taiwan, moved to Japan. Number 33, a company makes profits as a reward for good work. Turning a profit is the result of what you do, not the purpose of your enterprise. Okay. But yeah, it's Friday. That's all I got to say about that. It is Friday. And I don't know what we're doing this weekend. I hope we do something. 4th of July is on Sunday, come on. But there's no parade here. My wife is still trying to get feeling 100% after having her surgery. So, no fireworks here. In fact, the town over, Bothell, they kind of like last minute, the city council got together after the fire department was like, please ban fireworks. Because we just had, you know, a super big hot spell. And it's not like, I mean, it's humid as heck outside, but it's not like we've gotten any rain, nor will we have rain. So it's just a tinderbox around here. Still want to see fireworks. I mean, they could do like a big display down by the bay and or by the lake. I don't know. Well, I like that. I generally really like Itomen stuff, so that's not a shock. It's kind of like a buttery, Shio-y kind of seafood thingy going on here. That is good. I like that. I love seafood, and I like this. All right. Now, I was going to use chashu in the last one I did, but it was just like so undeserving of a slice of chashu. We'll use it in this. This is homemade chashu, ladies and James. Hey, that's good. My daughter just exclaimed, "Woohoo, I'm having so much fun." I'm glad, sweetie. Jeez. Can't beat that. So am I. I'm having fun too. Yay! You are there. Oh, you're on your hopper ball. Okay. You are having fun. Yeah. Yeah. Let's not smash the downstairs neighbors though. Okay, and a little bit of mung bean sprout, right? Right there is good, and we don't need it anymore. It's kind of met its match. Here's some spring onion. Ooh, didn't need those fingers for nothing. Ouch. I want to get this out of the way. Hey, that's enough stomping there. One of the deaf people will come up here and kill us again. Sesame seed. And some shichimi, chongami. And I'm gonna put a little bit of oil too. What the heck? I'm in the mood. And since it is seafood, I've got shrimp and I've got fish ball. I'm going to use the fish ball with what I'm making next and put the shrimp on this one. Because I really like fish ball. And I'm doing a mukbang next. Seems logical to me. I don't know. If it doesn't to you, I don't mind. That's okay. Alright. Yeah, stay tuned. There's going to be a professional mukbang. coming for you pretty soon. And, yeah. Yeah, I'll have to agree with Annoying Dude. Yeah, sometimes the music that I get on here is garbage, but it's kind of a hit and miss thing. I like every once in a while I'll just like get and pull in like a crap load of stuff. I'm not gonna listen to each and every song and go through it like some kind of schmuck. So, however, yes, y'all. Yes. Yeah. Megarang. Megarang. Mommy monster. Roar. Alright. Enjoy.